Have you ever sat there staring at your to-do list, feeling overwhelmed, paralyzed, like your brain is full but your hands won't move? That's not laziness, that's pressure, that's a stress, that's a mind at war with itself. You're not broken, you're just tired of carrying everything alone, tired of feeling like no matter how hard you try, it's never enough. You're not lazy, you're unfocused, and that's a very different thing. Focus isn't just about trying harder, it's about clarity, knowing what matters and cutting out the noise. But when your brain is overloaded with the stress, comparison, and that heavy voice whispering, you should have done more, focus becomes impossible. And suddenly, scrolling feels easier than starting, avoiding feels safer than facing, and blaming yourself becomes a habit. But here's the truth, you don't need to do it all. You just need to start small, not with 10 steps, with one. Choose one goal that lights you up, turn down the volume on everything else, and pour your energy into that. Focus is like a muscle. It gets stronger the more you protect it. So stop calling yourself lazy. You're not lazy. You're overwhelmed. You're trying. And now you're learning to focus on what really matters. You don't need to move fast. You just need to move with intention. One clear step, one deep breath, one small win at a time. That one small win, it gives you energy. And that energy builds confidence. You start to think, maybe I really can do this. And it can change everything. You won't feel motivated every day, but you don't always need to. You just need a reason to keep going. Your dream is waiting. Go meet it.